The doctors diagnosed me with autism when I was 1. Back then, having autism was a struggle. I couldn't talk until I was 5. I had some difficulties learning, focusing in class, making friends.
It was difficult at first. I think every parent getting a diagnosis like that is hard to accept. So I said, okay, so what do we do? What are the interventions we put in? His favorite quote that he shares all the time is one by Nelson Mandela, that everything seems impossible until you do it, right? And he shared that with me when I say, Carter, we can't. Yes, we can, right? To him, any and everything is possible, and he is teaching me that.
I got started with my business and playing golf, found a good business idea, and that was a line of comfortable golf clothes. The clothes that fitted the dress code felt really uncomfortable for me, so I wanted to have my own golf apparel line so I could have my own comfortable golf clothes, and so I can give comfortable golf clothes to people who have a skin sensitivity just like me. I started a nonprofit called Carter Spectrum Golf, where I give free golf lessons to youth and veterans and introduce them to the game of golf. And I noticed that not a lot of people who look like me were playing golf. Golf is just a really expensive sport, buying the golf bags, golf clubs, fitting them when you grow out of them, and the fees for the golf course. So I wanted to start my own nonprofit so I could cover those costs and just let people discover the joy of playing golf just like I did. Currently I'm working with 85 kids, and it's a lot, but it's just really fun teaching them and introducing them to the game of golf, and it's just something I have a passion for.
Knowing the type of stuff that he's been through and knowing how he's gotten over that is really inspirational. So the fact that he even saw a problem with people having a place to connect and actually made the initiative to go out there was really good, because some people on the spectrum don't do that. He did it, and I like it. I don't know if I would have found this new version of myself if I hadn't have found Carter.
So one day, I woke up, or my mom woke me up and said, get ready by 10, we have a photo shoot we need to go to. And fast forward, we finish, and everyone is kind of gathering around me, and I find out that I was going to be Sports Illustrated Sports Kid of the Year for 2022, and it was amazing. I was shocked, I was excited. One of Ernie Els' friends saw my news interview. One day we woke up and we checked our emails, and we were just really surprised when he reached out to us. He invited us to the Chubb Classic where I got to meet him, and I actually got to walk 18 holes with him, which was amazing. 2023, I was UPS's Unstoppable CEO, and it was awesome. I wrote my own book called Swinging Beyond the Spectrum, How Autism Became My Superpower on and off the golf course. And it's about the story of my life and the struggles and challenges I had to get through and overcome.
He's become a little motivational speaker, and at first I was afraid to have him share his story, and I told him, Carter, people are not always nice. And he said, whether I share it or not, people aren't nice. My hope for Carter is to be able to continue to do what he's doing because he loves what he's doing.
One of the projects that I'm working on is called Carter Spectrum Farm, where we are going to have a place where people can retreat to detox from unhealthy foods. And one of my main goals is helping kids and people with diabetes beat it just like I did. I just want to help as much people as possible, and I think sharing my story is one of the things I can help people with.